You don't make decision. You don't talk to me, rather. You don't talk to me. You don't. And a matter of fact, it's not like you don't know, because you know.
Squad boss, they have to give on a banger right now. What's up, everybody? You don't know your boy Razablade, and I'm back with a late video for sure. I never do this idea for my girl before. I gotta try it today with the 5 years, so I think I the best time now for do it. I gotta do this breaking up on camera with her. You see what I say? What I gotta do is make sure she knows I have a video more me and her talk about, but I don't want to tell her about it until we're in the video already. You see me? So I'm gonna make sure she knows, so yo, we've been together 5 years, very and she and play. But I feel like a time for with us. Easy with self and call it a day. And you don't know, relationship have a lot of issues and them stuff there, you know. You see what I say? So me saying this could have been for any issue me and her having in the past. Any at all. Whether it was an argument, anything at all. So I know say I go put it across to her in a way and make you feel like say, yo, 5 years, man can't deal with this no more now. We're about to bounce out of here. I want to see her reaction. Babe, I love you, but I have to prank you like this because you fast with me this morning, you pranked me a couple of days ago. And one thing with the squad, we have to answer back. So I don't know how long she gonna take over the store where she gone, but anytime she come back, I gotta just meet her with it and say, yo, man, I really need to do a video where I sit down and talk to the people. Because you so see what I want. Ladies and gentlemen, it's showtime. People, she are coming up, so watch her now. You reach back right in time.
What you do?
I have a video for a car. Will you buy one for me?
No, buy one. Tell me something. Come out to buy.
Sweetie?
No. Babe, come out and make something.
Anyway, I have this video more you do that I can post right now. I make people them know what is that. Thanks to get my mask. Babe, not stretch out my youth.
Babe, first of all, it's big.
Don't stretch it out no more. That me I try to tell you. Anyway, so basically, I'm not going to tell you the idea, but just want you to get with it as we go along because I want to see your reaction because, you see me? My relationship never start on camera, but after our relationship start to roll, we came on camera and we do most of our life on camera. You see me? I say so. I think it's just fair that when me I do this, we do this on camera again. Especially for the people them way probably go in my inbox after or in your inbox after. We have to just like set the record straight from here. So instead of people see things that move different and I wonder what go on. You see me? Well, let me take this out of your face.
Ouch.
Your money come out.
And sanitizer is kind of sticky.
Okay. So hold on. Me there 5 years. How long we know with it?
5+.
5+ years. Alright, so in the 5+ years over there, use some words to describe a relationship so far.
Fun, challenging at the same time. But it worth it.
You say it worth it?
Yeah, worth it.
You're sure?
Yeah, it's fun and loving, but at the same time it's challenging because you know we never do this before, like we never live with it nobody before and stuff like that, so it's a bit challenging.
So both of we never lived with nobody before?
No.
Okay.
I have a partner when we used to go over them house but never live with. You're the first person I ever live with.
And you're the first person I ever lived with. See? So me will describe it as fun, loving, challenging. It's very educative because I learn a lot.
Yeah.
Could I find only adjectives to put it, but that's educative, to be the most because enough things I learn. This is my first time I live with no woman none at all. I have to learn to constantly pushing my jaw, yada yada yada, things where you see me when I never used to do and baga. So
and it's the same for me as well with like cooking and stuff like that. Because if I'm me alone, I wouldn't cook every day. But the fact that me and you and I just grew up in this house and I see my mother interest and my stepdad come home to a hot meal, then I try to do stuff like that when I can, like, because days will get busy because of reality.
Okay, so me I look into myself and I say we so get married and all of that. Well, we're supposed to get married and all of that, you see me? But
Supposed to.
it's like me looking at myself and me I say, Jaja, how am I gonna say this now?
Supposed to get married?
Well, let me explain myself. Like, it would be a thing like, would I say, it's like 5 years now, kinda. You know, I don't know. Like, like we do with time. No, big man thing. The 5 years I feel like we do enough time, and you know, sometimes we did it, sometimes we run with joke them, sometimes we be serious, sometimes arguing come up, sometimes a lot of stuff up, man. We hear each other say, you know what, say me I gonna love you. Right. And me I say, come to think of it, me I wonder if I fool with time now if we love each other alone. So, me just feel like me I hold you down or me I hold you back in some way. Or probably you
You
feel.
ever complain about that?
Me never
I've
say.
never done that.
Me never say. Me just say it's like I don't. Alright,
That's not factual.
I don't think that I am. No, I don't know that I am holding you back. I'm just wondering if I am holding you back.
You're not. And these are stuff. Babe, where all of this come from? You could have just said this to me like, yeah, embarrass me.
Baby, not embarrassing me. I have a conversation heart to heart. I'm just say I'm hoping I'm not holding you back.
That's not the case. That was never the case. And the mirror conversation will have. And this is why. And you see, it is so unfair. Since as we are a bit open, we could just be open. It's so unfair because when I ask for clarity, it comes off as clingy. It comes off as annoying. And them are the reason why I ask for clarity. Them are the reason why I say, babe, am I lacking anything?
Well,
babe?
when I ask for clarity, it come off as annoying.
No, it probably come off as annoying to some male, or even sometimes with you probably feel like you say it too much or you say it already, so you probably not say it again, which is understandable because if you get stuff straight, then you probably not going to want to answer all the time. But
you kind of lose me this, you know.
Babe, when me come and me ask you simple stuff like, babe, am I lacking anything? Is there anything that you want me to improve on? Did I do anything in the relationship to offend you? Just so me can change things or try to change things. So that's why when me ask you, you must tell me because out of nowhere, you come to me with this.
No, well, I know. Let me clarify something as I speak about that. When you ask if there is anything where you can change or anything where you're lacking, I always have an answer for them then.
Yes, baby, I always have an answer, but what you are saying now is not the answer that you gave me.
No, hold on, babe. I always have an answer for them then. You understand? Most time, when I come to you and say, baby, I lack this. I will say, baby, you know, say, that little ways you need to change it because it hurt me. You see me? But, for you say, come off as clingy. Hold on, let me clarify that. No matter what face expression or what you get from me, them don't come off clingy. When you ask me every 5 seconds if you love me, that come off as, me don't even know if I clingy or not. When you ask me every 5 seconds in a one day, you ask me that. You see me I say?
Babe, that's something that you shouldn't even mention.
No,
because
that's
me being annoying, you know that.
Yeah, but alright, but I try to show you say being annoying. You being annoying, it is fun for you, but is it fun for me?
But you never give me the face like it never fun
Babe,
for
I've
you.
never give you the face like say, oh, when you annoy me something, like, you never annoy me and my face changes.
Yes, babe, me annoy you, your face change, but not in that case.
In what case? Mean like me want to go somewhere?
No. But babe, I could not stray the focus.
Alright then.
You coming to me with this now and to our viewers, Which, you know, me appreciate the fact that you're not going to hide it from them and you're not going to have them in our DM and ask. This is just the video to clear up if I saw you feel. But babe, this is so embarrassing for me because these are stuff where we always talk about, babe. We talk about them stuff here.
Like stuff like what we talk about?
Like, me don't know anything what bother we in our relationship. So for you, just come.
I'm transparent with it most of the time, and we talk about it, so I understand where embarrassed because
you come here so I say it now out of nowhere. This just shocking to me.
It bother me, so I come forward and say it.
Not a problem. I appreciate your honesty and I appreciate saying no lead me on. Which, you know what, it's okay. Me not have nothing. Me can't do anything. If me make you feel some type of way, I'm sorry, but at the end of the day, me just can't do nothing because, babe, that's why me always ask you, babe, is there something that I can do to better our relationship? Is there this? Is there that? You do the same too. So me make my side clear. Why you never did make your side clear? Why you just pop up on me with this if it's something that's been bothering you? That's why one time me get sense like, yo, this is not the truth. And me say it to you. Enough if you know where one time me say another truth because see it
no,
now.
Because when I tell you the truth, you cannot handle it. You've never handled the truth well, not even for the slightest thing. Even if me tell you,
you know what?
Babe, I really think
babe, that's a lie, babe. Babe, that's a lie. I always ask you, babe. Babe, me always ask you.
You hear you just yes. You asking me for the truth doesn't mean so when you get the answer, you like the answer. That don't mean
it doesn't matter if I like the answer.
No.
But me not take it out for you. Me deal with that with myself.
I didn't say you take it out for me. I said the way how you
we not gonna always get the answer we want. Truth harsh. So if you be harsh or if you talk the truth and it come off as harsh, you're not gonna get a smiley face from me.
I did not say, and that me I try to go out with you now. Me I say you never handle it in the best way. So sometimes I just hold it down because as a man, you're rough path with side sometimes.
This just weird. Cause out of nowhere, this just come up and me just never see this come. Bro, we been a do good, so me not understand where all of this come from. But it's okay, Jay. So if you feel that way, you feel that way.
Yeah, all I'm trying to is me just want to hear from your side. Me just don't want to feel like say, and me alone feel so and you know me I pray the thing wrong. Me just wonder if we time up.
If you feel like your time up. Me not get that feeling there, so me and you not have the same feeling right now. But what can I do? One hand don't clap. So if you feel that way, all me can do I just ball till me get over it. That's it. You feel that way, I don't feel that way. Me not get no reason to feel that way either. So me not gonna be petty and say because you feel so, me feel so automatically. No, me never feel that way there. And guys, this is just the reality. Me not understand where all of this are coming from, but at least when I get a chance to say in our life like that, because I don't know where this is coming from. I don't know where this are coming from all of a sudden. Babe, we've been to do good. Like, what is the problem? We've been to talk about our future. We've been to do this. We've been to do that. We have moved towards so many stuff, and then you just come out of nowhere with this. This just coming like so we have built a whole empire together, and you just get up and say, guess what? Work done right here. So all of the work what did I get done, it just stop right there. So it done. And me alone left to deal with it. So no problem.
Me and you breaking up means that me still have to pick up my pieces, you still have to pick up your pieces. It is not a one-sided thing. It's not because you probably feel more hurt, meaning someone not gonna feel hurt. This is very hurtful for me to even bring up, may I be honest. Right now you have on my Virgin Squad t-shirt, some of the stuff you look on it and I show you say it's very hurtful for you know some even have to bring this up at this time.
Don't worry, me support you regardless.
I just have to be honest because I know say if I take up my things and I cut and everybody just see in that house and don't see me, never don't see me none at all. Them I go wonder, what me not see Jason? And I know you don't like when people like inflate your inbox with a bag of negativity. So, but just I try to make people know. So right now I feel like say, I say the people so when you don't see Razablade and Angel anymore, you know what thing go. You see me I say? So, but just want you to know say babe, I love you. I love you regardless of anything, but if you don't look like so we'll go forward, I can't trick you, I have to allow you to be the woman way you're supposed to be. You see me I say?
I was. You don't make decision. You don't talk for me, rather. You don't talk for me. You don't. And a matter of fact, it's not like you don't know, because you know. So talk for yourself. I wasn't having any problems the moment did I have. I spoke to you about it. We spoke about it. Unless you were lying, because those are stuff that we spoke about, Jason, and we get past it. And some of them are never stuff where we should have get past, or some people could have get past, but we did get past it, and it did make us stronger. So you just saying this now out of nothing, I'm not gonna say out of nothing. That's why when I ask you, you just need to be honest, because guess what? Them there time when I could have get to put my thoughts together before now. Every day you make me feel safe. You make me feel safe, you make me feel loved, and then all of a sudden you just say this to me like it's fair. I would have never done this. I would have never done this. No matter what, I have your back and I communicate with you. And it's your fault, you to be blamed. Because if you didn't feel how you feel and man up and say how you feel, trust me, me would have probably get past it. But every day you make me feel love and you make me feel safe. And you make me feel like all is well. You make me feel like, oh, we wed. I'm not even know if I talk about the whole wedding and when, but you make me feel like everything is in place. You love me. You're not gonna away. We future gonna start. Whatever this I gonna do, and that's how you make me feel, babe. That's how you make me feel. So me not feeling how you feel right now, me not know. It's just sad. It's unfortunate for me. But every good thing must come to an end, I guess. But you know what? You feel how you feel. You feel how you feel. What cause if you feel that way there?
A prank.
Stop! Maybe I'm gonna cry.
Yo, you lucky me sorry for you could hold up no more. Come here, mama. What a prank, man. Look at me. Where if I go? I'm feel left you. I'm feel left you. And I you say squad boss. Where if I go, babe?
You make my heart a beat, you know?
Yeah,
it's heart, not like I can't do it without you.
Babe, your heart always a beat.
Babe.
Come here. You're mad.
And my mind hear me now, yo. I'm bipolar for true.
See?
Yes. See? Because, guys, me not gonna lie. Me always say this, and just always I say probably. You remember you tell me say somebody we take it the wrong way when time people hear me say it, and we're grown and we can't run from reality. So you have to just spit it out like how it is. But guys, I always tell people say no relationship is perfect. If people feel like me and Jason sit down and have a perfect relationship, no. If you're out there and you wonder, but stuff what we go through are stuff where enough people not consider as serious problem in our relationship, or it petty, or you know say this will go happen or whatever. No. Babe, leave my face alone.
No, I won't miss my face.
But no relationship not perfect. But how if you just get up and just make one decision like we've been good, guys. Like we've been certain stuff with just the same like me easy to get vexed and stuff like that, or me moody or whatever the case is. Me work on them there and just work on himself, and you just get up and you just say that. Like how you expect me to feel?
This morning when you just get up and trick me for my money. Out of nothing, I'm gonna have you as a thief. And the same thing. My prank can go worse.
This is so mean. And you know why it catch me? Because Jesus always tell me say if we're gonna break up, we not gonna go up on the internet like me over there start throw a word and Jason over there start throw a word, I'm gonna make you come and talk, because we not live like puss and dog regardless. That's why it catch me.
Oh, baby, say hello. Oh, you love me, you know, Mama P.
Baby, I feel love you. You make me feel loved. How can I not love you? Regardless, you make me feel loved. Nobody not be honest to me like how you be honest to me.
Hey, Toshi glad she not have to talk. Babe, I love you. And the ring not upon her finger because technical difficulties. For those who been asked.
I did answer it in our video.
You haven't seen that video? Oh, I watch your latest video. Anyway, people, squad boss strike again. I know that some people are going to do their cuss and something, but guess what? All is fear in love and sports.
It's so mean.
You're lucky me not make you continue ball. Or till I say, oh, you have to walk home.
What go where?
You should full of talk now. Anyway, let me finish my video.